How to add your profile picture on Line app. Let's get started with the video. To begin with, open the Line app on your device. After that, tap on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the home screen. Then click on the profile icon again to fully open your profile page. Once you are on your profile page, click on the edit button at the top right corner. At this point, a menu will appear with several options. Choose Open Camera to instantly take a new photo or a video. Select photo or a video to pick from your gallery, or choose Profile Studio to create a customized profile design. Choose whichever option suits you best. After selecting your photo or a video, you will be prompted to adjust it into a circular frame. Furthermore, hit Next to proceed. Finally, you will have the chance to make final edits. Lastly, hit Done to set your new profile photo. That's it. You have successfully added a profile picture on Line app.